So the next speaker is Dr. Shefali Tayal from she is the medical head, Cancer Healer Center, New Delhi, India.
Hello everyone, good morning. I am Dr. Shefali. So today we are going to talk about the main theme, which is integrative approach towards the cancer treatment. So basically yesterday we all were here and we were listening. One point Dr. Rath sir has said that 50% cases we are able to treat with the help of chemotherapy, radiation and surgery. And for remaining 50% cases we are here to find out what are the other ways with the help of which we can benefit those patients who are suffering from cancer. And unfortunately उनको chemo, radiation, surgery से वो help नहीं मिल पाता. So my PPT, my presentation will be about that, कि how we can help those patients, those who cannot be benefited because of with the help of chemotherapy, surgery and radiations. So first I will give you the little detail, because today I am representing Cancer Healer Center. So I would like to give little detail about what we are all about. So Cancer Healer Center, where we treat the cancer patient, was established in 1997. And here we focus on complementary and alternative medicine, which is immunotherapy, and it comes under the system of CAM. So now from a clinic of 10 by 10, so we now having multiple chains of clinic and hospital all over India. So this is our journey. Centers, we have a team of doctors all over India. So basically we also treat on the grounds. See, we all know that patients can be treated with the help of medicines, true. But there should be some empathy, some humanity which should always be there, क्योंकि patient आता है बेचारा, उसकी कोई सुन नहीं रहा होता है, मतलब इतना patient इतना सब होता है, time नहीं होता. So if a doctor can give little bit of time and empathy towards that patient, so definitely it will help to improve the result and outcome of the treatment. So little bit about Dr. Tarang Krishna sir. So he is serving patients since last 2 decades, and the main thing is that we are treating on immunotherapy CAM. And one thing also we were discussing yesterday कि जो patients को जो नहीं पहुंच पाते हैं well in time to us, तो उनका क्या किया जाए, कैसे किया जाए अवेयरनेस. बट जैसे मेरे से कल एक डॉक्टर साहब ने पूछा कि आप क्या करोगे, आपके घर में अगर किसी मेड या आया को कैंसर हो जाएगा तो आप उसको कहाँ भेजोगे. So basically Heal the World project, which is started by us, it is a project under which we give free treatment to all the cancer patients who are below poverty line. So I can say that I can send those patients to Cancer Healer Center. So obviously we have a unique approach of empathy and personal touch. Then we already have the presence worldwide event, Asia Pacific and BW Dialogue. So these are the awards and recognitions. So now coming to the main point, which is our treatment. So our treatment is immunotherapy, which is under the system of CAM. And in this we give medicines which are oral medicines, and the most important point is that these medicines can go parallel with the chemotherapy and radiation. It can go parallel with any mode of treatment, and patients can be benefited by overcoming the side effects of chemotherapy and radiation. Specifically what happens is there are cases, as we all know, because of some medical condition or due to XYZ reason, there are patients who cannot be given chemotherapy, who cannot be operated. So what to do? उनको क्या किया जाए? We can't leave them कि नहीं अब कुछ नहीं हो सकता. So those patients can be treated with the help of immunotherapy, because it also nullifies the side effects as well as it improves the quality of life. So it does not kill or diminish the regular cell of the body. The benefit of immunotherapy, again, there is no side effects, and it improves the quality of life even in stage 4. And it obviously it is effective for all patients and economical. अगेन टू द सेम पॉइंट कि कीमो बहुत महंगा है, नहीं ले पा रहे हैं डॉक्टर साहब, छोड़ दिया. मिडिल क्लास फैमिली है, बहुत सारे पेशेंट्स ऐसे होते हैं जिनका इंश्योरेंस भी नहीं होता. सो एटलीस्ट दे हैव सम प्लेस वेयर दे कैन गो एंड दे कैन गेट देम सेल्फ ट्रीटेड. So basically this was a case where the patient was told that nothing can be done and everything has been tried, Then we treated, and this was the case where the patient came down from Bangladesh to Delhi, and he was a priest. So he used to give lectures. Thank you, sir. So he's a priest in Bangladesh. So he used to do teaching over there. He used to give lectures. So basically he came to us and he was told he was having CA glottis. So he was operated and he underwent surgery and radiation. After that there was a recurrence. Again doctor told कि you have to remove complete vocal cord. उन्होंने बोला नहीं मैं कुछ भी करूँगा, but I will not get my vocal cord operated. Then he came to Cancer Healer Center, he got treated, his reports came normal, we have the reports and everything. So now he is doing the teaching and everything in Bangladesh again. So there will be few case presentation which I will show you just to make you understand ki how immunotherapy, which is under the system of CAM, can bring changes in the reports as well. So this is a very good case of a patient, Anusuya Gupta. She's a case of hepatocellular carcinoma. So she basically underwent TACE in March 2021, and doctors told that okay, it has been done, but there's nothing much we can do, and they gave an expected life of 3 months. So after that, she came to know, she started our treatment in April 22 along with this tablet, Livatinib. So then the first scan which was done in the month of April, it shows that the tumor is of 6 into 5 into 4.8 centimeter, and which is like a little bit increase as compared to last month. Then the repeat PET scan was done in August, which shows 2.2 into 2.1 centimeter. And then in February, when the scan was done, it shows that there's a complete resolution of the liver lesion. I'll show you the report. So this is the report of 2021, which shows that there's a tumor of 6 into 5 into 4.5 centimeter. This is before. Then this is the report of August, which we were talking about. So we can see that the size is 2.1 into 2.1 centimeter, which has reduced as compared to earlier. And then it is February report, which says that there's complete resolution of the liver lesion. So this was the testimonial, which I can't play here. So next case, this is a case of AML. She underwent chemotherapy. She started chemotherapy, but she left it in between because she was not able to tolerate it due to major side effects. So when she left it in between, she came to us with a report where the blast was not increasing, but the lymphocyte was 90%, and clinically she was deteriorated and the counts were very low. The platelets were just 21,000 and hemoglobin was 7.5%. So these were the reports and the clinical presentation. She was weak, thrombocytopenia was there, weakness, appetite low. And then she stopped chemo in July and started with cancer healer therapy. So then at that time it was 9.1 hemoglobin, TLC 1800 and platelet was 29,000. After this, she started our treatment, and this is the report which we can see, which shows there's no abnormal cell, and hemoglobin, TLC and platelets increased. So basically now this patient is normal. She's my patient from Chandigarh. So earlier she's a teacher, but jab ye sab hua to she was at home. Now again she started going and working and teaching, and matlab, I can't explain you how happy they were. This is another case of Mr. Rajesh Sharma. There's nothing much to say because I will show you the picture. This is a post-operated case, and radiation chemo was done, but again there was a reoccurrence. So this is the image which we can see that there's a unhealthy lesion at the lateral side of the tongue at the back, and this is the image which we can see that the tumor is almost healed. Also, there was pain. The most important thing was that he was hitting his head on the walls because he used to take 4 to 5 Ultracet tablet, and even then he was not getting relief in the pain. After starting the medicine, which was almost within 2 months, his pain gone down and the painkiller got reduced to 2 painkillers. And this again a very interesting case of glioblastoma. So this is a case where patient has undergone surgery and then obviously radiation, temozolomide, all this happened till March. And when he came to us, all the doctors have refused, and he was in the complete unconscious state. He was on Dexa and Livipil. And he was not responding to voice, not drinking, semi-solid भी बड़ी मुश्किल से लेते थे, and on drips. So this was the condition they came. And when he started the treatment, he joined our World Cancer Day program. So उन्होंने बताया हमें कि डॉक्टर साहब जो पहले एकदम लेटे रहते थे, there was no response, nothing, अब उठ के बैठते हैं, अब रिकॉग्नाइज करते हैं, अब एक शो करते हैं कि हाँ मुझे इससे मिलना है. He used to hug the family members. So that was a great achievement for us. So earlier the size of lesion was increasing constantly. It was 6.7 into 5.2 into 7.0 centimeter, and there was a midline shift of 13 mm. So when they started the treatment, and clinically obviously there was good relief, they started speaking, body movement started, hand grip was started, responding to the relatives. So this is a report which shows that the size of the tumor is stable, which was increasing in every report which was done before that. So this is a great achievement. Still the treatment is going on and patient is doing pretty good. Gopinath. So अभी प्रीवियसली जो भी केसेस मैंने लिए उसमें से कुछ ऐसे हैं जो चल रहे हैं, कुछ ऐसे हैं जो अभी रिसेंटली ट्रीट हुए हैं, बट दिस इज़ अ वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग केस बिकॉज द पेशेंट गॉट ट्रीटेड एंड क्योर्ड एंड ही इज़ लिविंग हिज नॉर्मल लाइफ सिंस लास्ट 5 to 6 years. So this is a patient, Mr. Gopinath from Maharashtra, and he was diagnosed with Hodgkin lymphoma. So basically patient initially took chemotherapy and radiation. After that there was a recurrence in the PET-CT scan. So he approached Cancer Healer Center in 2014, we can see that there's a recurrence, and it is showing that there are axillary lymph node and enlarged metabolically active axillary lymph nodes. So this is the 2019 scan advised by Dr. Krishna, in which we can see the lymph node showing reduction in size and metabolic activity. This is the recent test जिसमें उन्होंने पेट नहीं कराया. He underwent CT scan, and we can see that there is no increase in the lymph node or anything. So there is a complete metabolic response. So these were the few cases which has been treated. There are lot many. So now the point is कि all these cases can be treated with the help of immunotherapy under the system of CAM. So why not we combine it along with the conventional treatment to bring better result? We are never against any chemo, or we never tell our patient कि आप कीमो बंद कर दीजिए, आप सर्जरी मत कराइए. वो बिल्कुल हम सजेस्ट करते हैं जो भी करना है आप डेफिनेटली करिए. Along with that, you can take this treatment so that we can help them to overcome the side effects. And in those cases, those who have lost the hopes कि कुछ हो ही नहीं सकता, जैसे अब एक पेशेंट थे टंग कैंसर के जिसमें सर्जरी नहीं हो सकती थी बिकॉज उनकी हार्ट स्टंटिंग हुई थी. तो ही वॉज लाइक कि अब मैं क्या करूँ डॉक्टर, सर्जरी एम्स में भी सब जगह उन्होंने मिला, उन्होंने नहीं हो सकता, वी कांट डू एनीथिंग इसमें. देन ही स्टार्टेड विद द ट्रीटमेंट एंड एटलीस्ट ही गॉट अ क्वालिटी ऑफ लाइफ. क्योर नहीं हुआ बट एटलीस्ट जो पेन, जो सफरिंग्स में वो थे, उसमें उनको रिलीफ देने में हम लोग कामयाब हो सके. So now talking about the therapy, so this is immunotherapy which we do, and it helps to modulate the immune checkpoints, and it regulate the activity of several immune cells. So quickly I'll tell you few drugs. So these have already been, all the published papers results have been there with ginseng. So it arrests the cell cycle and induction of apoptosis and paroptosis and inhibition of angiogenesis. So then this is cancer bush. It again helps to improve the immune system and inhibit the tumor necrosis factor. Then this is purslane. Again, it helps to improve and arrest the cell cycle. Then this is violet tree. All these have been there, the results and the clinical trials have been published. So ये मतलब हमारे थ्रू किया हुआ नहीं, मतलब already the drugs are there which have shown the result, and we are choosing those drugs and trying on the patients, and we are getting the results. So now this is Docoma, and this is Tribulus. So there are these few drugs which we have seen worked better in cases where patients are undergoing radiation chemotherapy. So these drugs help, these are only two I've mentioned. There are more drugs which help to overcome the side effects of chemotherapy and surgery if given parallelly. So thank you.